Hi kids, how are you all? I'm doing good. I hope you too stay safe and healthy with your family members. Yes. Hi kids, I hope that do you all know we are in term 2. Yes. And in this session we are going to see Geography Unit 1 and Social, and our name of the topic is Migration and Urbanization. Let's have a look on that. Now just have a look at this slide. Migration. Migration refers to the movement of people from place to place. See, the term migration is defined as permanent or semi-permanent change of their residence of an individual or group of people over a significant distance. That is what we called as migration. Yes, or in simple words, the movement of people from place to place. Yes, this is what called migration. Next, I would like to share the reasons for migration. There are two major causes for the migration. One is pull factor and another one is push factors. These are the two major reasons for migration. Yes. See, we saw that two major causes of migration. Now just have look at this clip. This clip represent pull factors of migration. Yes, the main reasons of people migrate are usually economic, political, cultural or environmental. These are the some of the main causes for the person migrates. Yes, and we call it as pull factor because it is generally a benefit that attracts people to a certain place. This is what called pull factors of migration. Now just you have look at that shared picture, you itself came to know that yes, what is meant by pull factor. Yes, these are the some factors of pull factors of migration. Now you can have look at this page. Yes, this is push factors of migration. This is what the another main reason for migration. Yes, push factor. Now, which is defined as the word push people away from their home and include things like natural calamities like disaster, war, poverty and so on. These are the some reason for push factors of migration. Okay. Here I shared the reasons of migration in both on same page. Just have look at this picture. You itself came to know that terms what is meant by push and pull factor clearly after seeing this pic. Yes, pull factor, it's defined let the people to a new home and includes things like better opportunities. That is what comes under pull factors. But coming to push factor of migration is closely related to of forced migration. This is what the difference between pull and push factors of migration. Got it? Factors of migration: ecological or natural causes, economic causes, socio-cultural causes, demographic causes, political causes. See, there are some factors of migration are there which are responsible for the migration of human population. Yes, mainly ecological or natural causes, economic causes, social cultural causes, demographic causes and political causes. These are all the important factors of migration, and every factors of migration has been done for various reasons to improve their standard of living. Yes, this is what the main factors of migration. Yes, kids, we seen about what is meant by migration, causes of migration and the factors of migration. Now we are going to see about urbanization. Urbanization refers to the process in which there is an increase in the proportion of population living in towns and cities. See, the term urbanization, which means population shift from rural to urban areas to make their lives more comfort. This is what called urbanization. Yes. Just have a look at this slide. Causes of urbanization. Urbanization is driven by three factors: natural population growth, rural to urban migration, and the reclassification of rural areas into urban areas. Present day urbanization includes changes in demographics, land cover, economic processes, and characteristics of geographic area. See, there are three major causes of urbanization, that is natural population growth, yes, and the reclassification of rural areas into urban areas, that is what the second major cause of urbanization. And the last one, it's depend upon the characteristics of geographic area. These are the three main things which should be considered for the major causes of urbanization. Yes. Okay kids, shall we see small recap on the topic migration and urbanization now? Yes. See, in this lesson we saw common pattern of migration is from rural to urban, and then migration takes place due to natural, economic, social, cultural, demographic and political causes. And urbanization is the result of rural to urban migration, natural growth of population, and the reclassification of rural areas into urban areas. Yes, these are the main factors of migration. And finally, problems of urbanization are mainly owing to overpopulation, inadequate infrastructure, industrial development, and increased number in vehicles. This is what we saw in this lesson. Okay kids, I hope do you all understand this session? Just read and practice it, okay? Okay kids, this is what all I have for you in today's session. Yes, here I have attached our homework part. Try to do your homework on time. Okay kids, thank you.